Hey everybody, it's Luke from Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from AOMAIS. This is the AOMAIS Go IPX7 waterproof Bluetooth speaker with 30 watts of power. This pumps out some serious music. We're going to get into it now. Sit tight, and I'll be right back. Okay, so once you get everything out of the box, this is what you're going to get. Obviously, you get the main unit itself. Well, they give you several different things here. They give you a 3.5 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter aux cable. They give you a standard USB to micro USB for recharging the 7200 milliamp battery that is inside the AOMAIS Go. So you can hook that up to any laptop or PC USB port, and they actually give you an adapter as well, which we'll get to in a second. They give you a nice carrying and / storage case, and you can see that they do give you a 5 volt 2 amp wall adapter. This is a wall to USB adapter, standard, nothing fast charging or anything like that, but it's still 5 volts and 2 amps, and they do include it, which is definitely a plus, seeing as a lot of speakers do not come with it. They just come with a charge cable. Now, if you want to check out their support, you can check them out at support@aomais.com. They did make they have a toll-free number here, and if AOMAIS is watching, maybe they want to get these changed. Toll-free number that you can call as well, so you can check it out if you have any problems setting up your product. You get a 1-year hassle warranty. You can have a 10% off coupon for your next purchase if you register it, and you can go to www.aomais.com to register your product. Now, they do give you a quick start guide here. We'll take a quick look at this. This is not going to be an in-depth thing. All of your specifications of this speaker will be listed in the description below so that you can check those out in depth. This is just a quick start guide that shows you how to troubleshoot it if you need to, safety precautions. There is an external microphone jack in here so that you can do kind of like a karaoke deal. It is IPX7 waterproof, so you can put it in water up to 30 minutes, up to 30 feet, I believe, and it will still play. But there's 2 flaps that you have to keep on the sides. You have to keep those closed to keep the IPX rating intact. We'll get into that in just a second. So anyway, it's all written in English. Keep it just so that you have it. Let's take a look at the main unit. The main unit is got this matte rubberized texture all around it except for the front and back grills. Easy to access buttons here with your volume up and volume down being your track reverse and track forward button, your play pause button, and answer call button because it also has a microphone, and your power button all just listed right there, right on the front, easy to get to. Some nice rubber feet on the bottom as well to hold it in place. It is a pretty chunky speaker, but you're getting 30 watts of power coming out of this, so I'd expect it to be so. If we take a look at the back, again, a grill on the back here, nothing besides that. Then you have a flap here that says mic on it, and this is where you can hook in an external microphone via 3.5. It also has a manual volume here for that, just in case you want to use that for, say, like karaoke or something like that. You can totally do that with it. Again, nice heavy-duty flaps to cover this up to keep that IPX7 rating. On the other side, we've got our charge port, and it also says aux there, which is another important thing. It's got a micro USB for charging. It also has a 3.5 millimeter aux input, or I should say for devices that don't have Bluetooth. And then you have a full 5 volt 2 amp output USB connect here, and that's for charging a phone or a tablet. So you can use this thing as a power bank. It does have a 7,000 milliamp battery in it, so that makes it very, very, very resourceful. So let me get this paired up. It'll just take a second. We'll power it on, and I'll be right back. Okay, so the pairing process is very simple. You just hold down that power button until you get a blinking blue light there on the left, as you can see. The middle light, by the way, is for your charging. It will turn red when it's plugged in, and then it will turn off when it is fully charged. On the right hand side, we have another light there, and I believe that is for the external mic, but I'm not sure. I haven't tested that. Easy to hook this up. Just go to Bluetooth on whatever device you're going to hook it up to, and it will pop up in your Bluetooth list as the AOMAIS Go. And it takes a few seconds to pair up, but once you're paired, you are good to go. And as you can see, we are connected for call and media audio. This does have a built-in microphone in it, so you can take phone calls. I did test phone calls, and they sounded very, very good on this. Nobody had a problem hearing me. I didn't have a problem hearing them, so all worked out very well. Let's test some music on this so that you guys can hear what the music quality is like. So as you can hear, they're very, very nice on the sound overall on this. It is full sound. You get a lot of bass with this. If you really turn the volume up, it kind of overpowers my microphone. So I didn't totally turn it up to 100% because if I did, you'd get just too much for the mic. But for your ears, if you're somebody that's into bass, you're going to love this speaker. This has a lot of bass and full sound to it as well. The fact that you have a 7,000 milliamp battery, you're going to get a ton of playback time on this, which is also excellent. So you get about 30 hours total at 50% volume. So 30 hours of playback time total at 50% volume. So even if you were blaring this thing, you could get up to 15 hours total playback time. I think that's awesome, along with how portable it is. Even though it's a bigger speaker, they make it portable with this handle. Overall, a great build quality on this. The fact that you can do karaoke or something with a unique 3.5 millimeter external microphone input, as well as this output here for USB devices for charging up something like your cell phone while you're out and about. Overall, did a great job. Now, it takes about 3.5 to 4 hours to fully charge this, but to give you 30 hours of playback time, I think this is great. Also backed by a 12-month warranty. Overall, definitely a thumbs up from me. So that's my review of the AOMAIS Go from AOMAIS, the 30-watt Bluetooth speaker that is IPX7 waterproof, great sound, solid build quality, an insane battery life at 30 hours at 50% volume level. Overall, I'm very impressed with this. It's got really nice sound to it. A lot of extras such as external microphone and a USB port. Overall, I'm definitely giving this 2 thumbs up. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. If you have any questions or comments about the AOMAIS Go, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Remember to like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so because that always helps me out. And I'll check you guys out on the next video. Oh,